Past simple sentences. I went to the market yesterday. She watched a movie last night. They played football in the park. We studied English together. He cooked dinner for his family. I visited my grandparents last weekend. She cleaned her room in the morning. We traveled to London last summer. They listened to music all evening. He painted the wall blue. I walked to school yesterday. She opened the window. He closed the door quietly. They danced at the party. We talked for hours on the phone. I called my friend in the evening. She laughed at the joke. He cried when he was sad. We watched the sunset together. They shouted loudly in the street. I read a book last night. She bought new shoes yesterday. He sold his old car. We ate pizza for lunch. They drank tea in the morning. I wrote a letter to my teacher. She drew a beautiful picture. He drove to work yesterday. We sang a song in class. They spoke to the teacher. I slept early last night. She woke up late in the morning. He broke his phone. We found some money on the road. They lost their keys. I met my cousin at the mall. She gave me a birthday gift. He took a photo of the beach. We sent an email yesterday. They received a package. I ran in the park. She jumped over the fence. He climbed the mountain. We swam in the river. They built a small house. I cooked pasta for dinner. She washed her clothes. He fixed his bike. We played chess. They watched the news. I asked a question in class. She answered the phone. He finished his homework. We started a new project. They enjoyed the picnic. I stayed at home yesterday. She visited her aunt. He looked at the stars. We helped our neighbor. They shared their lunch. I remembered the story. She forgot her bag. He opened his gift. We closed the shop early. They carried heavy bags. I cleaned the kitchen. She baked a cake. He repaired the computer. We traveled by train. They arrived on time. I waited for the bus. She missed the meeting. He joined the club. We moved to a new house. They returned home late. I checked my email. She borrowed a book. He lent me some money. We played cards. They studied hard. I listened carefully. She walked to the park. He stayed up late. We washed the car. They repaired the road. I planted flowers. She watered the plants. He cleaned his shoes. We laughed together. They danced happily. I painted the picture. She cooked rice. He watched TV. We ate together. They visited the zoo. I wrote my notes. She sang beautifully. He spoke politely. We read the story. They played cricket.